Hello, Acellus Explorer. Today we're gonna learning about volcanoes. Today we're gonna talk about what is a volcano, where can we find them, and what can we get from a volcanoes. At the end, we will make our own volcanoes right here in the lab. Let's begin. What is a volcano? Well, a volcano is a mountain with a top, under it have a chamber, and have there's something that called magma. Magma is a liquid that inside the earth has very hot, and the rock is melting. It's melting and make in magma. That magma go up of the chamber and it's turned to something that lava. It's just another word to call it when it's going to the air, like it's explode out and the lava comes down the mountain and it's cooling down, like right here, and it's turned into stone. When it's turned into stone, it's turned to something that's called obsidian. It's a big black rock, and when we hold it up, turn to light, it's very like a black glasses. Is that cool? Now we are going to see the mountain in the United States. Are you ready? Sit back. Here we go. Did you see that? That was amazing. Did you see that lava is go down and the top of the mountain? The lava is pushed up of the air. Did you see anything else? Did you notice that you see anything else? Well, I see clouds of dust. Well, we don't call it dust, we call it ash. I also know that the lava is turn up and cool down, and when we see it, it's maybe a very beautiful, but it's also really dangerous. It's very hot. And look at this. The obsidian have cooled down, but inside they're still hot inside the mountain, and they're melting. And where did we find the volcanoes? Well, volcanoes are usually are under the water. More than the half of the volcanoes are under the water.
In the ocean?
Yes, but one of the volcano in the United States is storming. That means he's sleeping. Some happened in the 1980. She was 8 years old at 1980, and there's something happened. Look at this mountain. This beautiful mountain is Mount St. Helens, and this is what happened in the 1980. You look, the top that we see last time, the last picture is gone. It's shorter and more bigger. It's gone. This is what happened in 1980. Do you remember that the ash that I told you? Dust? Well, her aunt is sent to the ash because she lived near the Mount St. Helens, and she sent to her. This is the dust. When we touch it, it's just like dust, but it's ash. A very special one is the volcanoes are in the water that set. They're more than half the volcanoes are under the water, and did you believe it? When the obsidian is cooled down, they take it into the lab, and they have some new rock right here. That ring that she is wearing are from obsidian. When we use the hammer or we heat it, it's melt up and we can find this. This is called helenite. And the helenite is from the obsidian we can get from the mountain. When the lava cool down, make the obsidian, heat it up, or to make it melt, or use a hammer, we can see the helenite is green.
Yeah.
So let's review the volcanoes or mountain is as a chamber, and under the earth has the magma. The magma follow that chamber, explodes out, and that make the lava is go down, cooling into obsidian. We take that obsidian, use a hammer or heat it up to make it melt. We have helenite. When it's up, we can see ash, and the ash, when we touch it, is like the dust. So we are going to make our own underwater volcanoes. Remember, magma under the water, the earth.
Under
Go.
the earth. Under the earth.
Go follow the chamber of the mountain and explore out the lava. Go down into obsidian, and they grow up. This is in this ocean, and the obsidian and it's more bigger and taller, and it's grow into island. The island, like Hawaii, we see it like a very special place to visit, are from volcanoes under the ocean.
Yes. Anyway.
Let's begin. So she has long hair. She has to tie it back and wear goggles. She must wear goggles when she uses some heat one. So here she have 2 clumps of red wax. Now she's putting on the heating machine. This machine will heat it up. Now she's going to pour some sand, just a little. Then she's going to pour, remember, magma is the
Under where?
under the earth is the clumps of red wax. The sand is for the earth, the top of the earth. And she's going to pour water to make the sea. This is not salt water. So what do you see? Some gas bubble. Let's wait for some time. You must look for some minutes. Here. The gas bubbles.
What's this?
Let's wait. Gas bubbles.
Gas bubble.
Wow.
Wow.
It's explore. The lava is turned to obsidian. We have obsidian. If we have 4 or 5 or just 3 clumps of red wax, it can be a small island on
The ocean.
on the water. Let's turn the heating machine off. We have another. Wow. here.
Yes.
If we have so many red wax, we can have a tall island, tall but small island, because this is a small bottle. It can taller, but it can bigger. But in the ocean, it can be bigger.
And Tom?
Man, volcanoes rock. Until next time.